Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a winter reset. So in the past, I used to do monthly resets, and I honestly really miss doing monthly resets. I think that I want to get back into. There's like a dog. You hear that? It's like the dogs are fighting. Okay, well I don't see the dog. I looked out my window. I don't see this. What is this dog? I'm sorry. I don't know where this dog is. It sounds like it's right outside my door, but it's not. Anyways, I think it stopped. Okay, we're back. Take two. I used to do monthly resets and I really miss them and I really want to get back into them, but I thought that it'd be cool to kind of do a winter reset, like a Q4 reset. What is this dog doing? I'm trying to film an intro. I kind of wanted to do very similar things to how I do in my monthly resets, like cleaning, organizing. Okay, this dog is driving me insane. But I thought we could do it for just the winter time. So I thought that'd be really fun to take you guys with me. So this video is sponsored by Blueland. I've worked with Blueland in the past and I love their products. They make cleaning products that are sustainable and eliminate single-use plastics. I recently found this out. This is something I recently learned. I didn't know this. During the holidays, we create more waste than usual, which was to be expected. But Americans throw away 25% more trash from Thanksgiving to New Year. It was really important to me to kind of reduce the amount of trash that I'm throwing away, be more sustainable. So I love using products like Blueland products. So I have two boxes here. I think I'm actually gonna give one as a gift to somebody, but I have two of their toilet bowl cleaner tablets in lemon cedar. I've tried these in the past. I really love the scent of the lemon cedar. I feel like lemon is just so clean to me. And then they come in these reusable containers. Again, like I said, what's really great about these is there's no single-use plastics. They have no single-use plastics in any component, whether it's their bottles, their shipping, their packaging, tablets, wrappers. Like I said, even their packaging is fully compostable. Their tablets also have no harmful ingredients, which is really important. And their products are effective and affordable, which is amazing. I have the toilet tablets here. These are proven to work on a wide range of toilet stains, including rust, mineral deposits, lime scale, and hard water, so you know they'll work. They also have hand soap. I really love their hand soap, and they have a really cute holiday hand soap that came out, so I'd recommend checking that out. I use the hand soaps, but I also use, like I said, the toilet tablets. They smell so good. I love the scent of lemon. I feel like it always smells so clean to me. And you put it in this refillable container. I use these all the time. I'll actually show you guys. It's really simple to use. You just take a tablet, drop it in your toilet, and then it's gonna fizz and foam, and you just wanna wait for it to be done dissolving. And then once it's all done dissolving, you take your brush your toilet, and flush. It's so easy. And flush. And we're done. Super easy. So if you guys wanna check Blueland out, I actually have a code for you guys. They're having their biggest sale of the year right now. So you can stock up on sustainable cleaning items for yourself or give it as a gift to your friends or your family. I personally love getting cleaning items for Christmas because it's something I know that I'm going to use. So you can check the link in the description box for that. They only do this once a year. It's 30% off, so definitely don't wait on it. Take advantage of it now. But thank you again to Blueland for sponsoring this video, and check out the link in the description to save some money. So first thing for our little winter reset is actually just gonna be a regular clean of my apartment. You guys know the drill. My kitchen island always becomes a mess, so I really want to clear that off and load my dishwasher. I think this looks significantly better. I always talk about this, that my kitchen island stresses me out, yet I never stop using it as a dumping ground. I don't know what's wrong with me. It's just my second nature to just throw stuff on the counter and then it just builds up. It is the way it is, and that's okay. Also, I put up my Christmas tree. Isn't it so cute? I love it. I'll show you guys it. I don't know what order these videos are going up, so I don't know if I've already shown you guys this, but I think it is absolutely stunning. I kind of love a bare Christmas tree, especially one that's like so pretty like this. I think it looks so good. I think it like perfectly fits the space, and I love it. I love the way it illuminates the entire room. You'll probably notice that I will get distracted by how beautiful this Christmas tree is in the background, and I'll try to have every single angle showing the Christmas tree because you have to. It's a winter reset, a winter Christmas tree. It feels right. One thing that I also really do want to do is prep some returns. So I have to return some clothes that I bought for tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day I can return them. I think the post office is already closed right now, so I can just put it in a box so it can be ready to go and I can drop it off at the post office tomorrow. I've shown this in other videos, but I went to Garage and I got, oh, the sun is sunning. I got quite a few things from Garage that I kind of anticipated that I would return quite a bit, and I want to show you guys what I'm gonna return. This actually works out perfectly because I have some boxes that I was just about to recycle, but I can reuse them, return this stuff. So I have this cardigan that I thought was really cute. It just looked off on me. I feel like cardigans look so cute on people. I just feel like maybe this one was a little bit too small for the look that I was going for. I also have this brown skirt that I thought was really cute, but I tried it on and one of my friends was like, it kind of looks like you meant for it to be a black skirt, but it's like slightly the wrong color. And I was like, valid. Also, this white top, I feel like I didn't have too much of a use for it. I got two of these little corset tops, and I got a black one and then this berry color. And I was like, I don't know if I want to keep both, and people said to keep the black one. I also filmed a try-on of all this stuff on TikTok if you guys are curious. And then this kind of off-the-shoulder top. It is winters, and I got this to go into work, and I'm going to be working remote. It really doesn't make sense. This dress, and then these two pairs of jeans. They were supposed to be both low-rise jeans, but they fit me more mid-rise. So I'm going to package that all up. I need to make sure, because a lot of this stuff was on sale. And I just like want to like quadruple check before I package it all up that I can in fact return it. I'm like 99% sure I can, but I'm gonna be really upset if I can't return it because it's on sale. If I don't want to wear it, you know? I also have some returns from some other stores that I need to do. For some reason, usually all my Amazon returns, I can just return them to a store, but there's two. One wants me to go to UPS and one wants me to go to USPS. I don't know why they're kind of wanting me to run all over to different post offices, but they are. So I'm just gonna package those up so I can kind of prepare that to be shipped off tomorrow. I'm like kind of sweating. Okay, let's go to my account. Oh, I'm not signed in. Awkward. Other things that I want to do to kind of winter reset is I want to remove all of my fall decor in here. I still have all my fall decor up. It's kind of funny. I have my Christmas tree and then like a bunch of pumpkins everywhere. So I want to get my bin from my storage unit, bring it over here, and then just kind of put all my pumpkin stuff away. I want to decorate for Christmas, but I don't want to do it today because I just feel like I have so much stuff. And I kind of want to like have an entire day where I decorate for Christmas, you know? Can I return all of this? I have no idea. This is kind of odd. This website's a little odd. I guess I can return as much as that I want. Like, do I have to like fill out like a return form? I'm gonna do some more research into this because I don't want to be wrong, you know? I have this box left over and I thought that I could try to fit all of the clothes in here. Let's see if this works. Okay, I will say the jeans are taking up like the entire box already. Don't know if this is gonna work. I do have a bigger box, which we'll probably end up having to use. Looking at how, actually maybe this might work. I'm a little worried about the sweater. The sweater might be the reason this fails. Low key. It fit perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna tape this up, print out the label. I feel like they're probably closed. Oh, they are closed, right? Yeah, okay, but we'll still do it. We'll still tape it up and prep it for tomorrow. Okay, let's see. Where's the tape that I wanna use? I have this packing tape, which will be perfect. Scissors, cut that off. Beautiful. Okay, now I need to print out the label. I have all of my return labels. I also have this top that I want to return. I got it on Amazon and it's so cute. I was gonna wear it for Halloween, but it just like didn't fit properly. Like it didn't like sit on me like well, if that makes any sense. So I have some cutie parcels that I can do and put this in. It's so cute though. Look at this. Tell me this is not put the detail on it. It just like, it kind of just like sat on me. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like it didn't look flattering. And I was like, dang. That's sad. 1,000,001 shipping labels. It wants me to put the barcode in there. And then we'll seal it off and then put the label on it. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna replace the old packing slip or whatever label with that. And then I'm gonna X out. Do I have a Sharpie in here? I don't know if I do. I have a pen. I'll just kind of scribble over this, whatever they put on there. Okay, perfect. And then I'll just lay it out to run some errands tomorrow. And I do want to, like I said, remove all the fall stuff. But first, I'm starving. And I really want to eat out, but I texted my friends and none of them wanted to eat out with me. So I think that means I need to eat out alone. And I don't want to do that, or not eat out alone, eat at home. I'd rather eat out alone, honestly. I do want to save money, so I will eat here. I also have like no food ready, so let's see what we have in my fridge. We could do some chicken nuggets. I also have this. I've had this for a while. I've been wanting to try it, so I think that we could see. Let's see, how do we prepare this? Let's just do it. Yay! I have no concept if this will be good or not, but it should be fast. Can't complain, right? I think the beef and the broccoli, yeah, they're separated. They are very freezer burned, I will say that. First you cook the broccoli, then you remove it, add the chicken or the beef. I don't know. We'll see how this is. I hope it's good. And then I think I'm gonna do some jasmine rice with it to kind of make it a full meal. you know, just waiting for my stove to heat up.
This kind of looks nasty. I think this is burning, so I'm just gonna take it off. You add this back.
What's weird is the sauce kind of smells more like a sweet and sour sauce than like a traditional beef and broccoli sauce. Also added the jasmine rice. The chicken looks like hard, like crunchy, like not in a good way. If anything, it's mushy. I'm gonna try a bite of broccoli before I give my full opinion. This really threw me for a loop. I thought I was gonna like the beef more than the broccoli. I thought the broccoli was gonna be super mushy and the beef was gonna be super like hard and crunchy. The broccoli wasn't super hard and like crunchy, but it was like normal. I thought it was gonna be like just a mush ball. I would not get this again though. I will say I would not get it again. I'm glad I had it. It was nice to, you know, have something. The broccoli was super flavorful from the sauce. I feel like broccoli really absorbs flavor. The chicken is not super flavorful. Or this is not chicken, this is beef. I keep calling it chicken. Long story short, I wouldn't get it again, but I'm thankful to have had it on hand. So we're gonna finish eating this. I'll chill for a sec and then we'll start taking all my pumpkins down. I just kind of relaxed on my couch for a little bit, but now let's collect all the pumpkins. I'm out of breath from getting the, what's it called? This bin out of my storage unit. I was going to bring this as the box for my tree down, but I think I'm just gonna wait another day. It's huge and I just don't know if I have it in me. Okay, we have a ton of pumpkins on this, so let's start there. These pumpkins are real, so I'm just gonna throw them away. They're honestly getting gross, but I don't think they'd last if I kept them. And then I was thinking, so we're gonna take this one, and then I also have these two little things that I'll put in my bin. I do want to replace these stems. I don't have anything that's very Christmassy, so I was thinking instead of putting my regular stems back in there, plan B could be to put the Santa up there. My mom gave this to me. I don't know if it's like gonna be not tall enough. What do you guys think? I feel like I need to push it a little further back. I'm afraid it's a little too close. How does it look? What do you guys think? I feel like maybe not tall enough, and this thing kind of doesn't go with it perfectly. This is not me decorating for Christmas. This is just me taking my fall stuff away, and I just wanted to see if that would look good. I don't think it looks bad. What do you guys think? I think that if I added more Christmas stuff to up here, I think that would help it kind of feel more balanced. It looks kind of bare without like something here and something here. So we're still working on it, but I'm going to replace these stems because these are very fall. These are the ones that I have. This is my bin. This is like kind of half fall, half Christmas. But we could just replace these right now. Is it this one that goes in it? Yeah. Oh, these are not gonna come out. Not without a fight. I have stuffed this. Okay, a bunch of these little beads are now coming off. Oh, that makes me really sad. Okay, well noted for next time. Be careful when I take them out. Ah, this is not easy to take out of here. I feel like in like 2 years, these are all gonna be gone. They're all have fallen off. I say that as more was just falling off. I don't know where I want to put these ones. Is this all of it? Or did I use, maybe that was for this? I think this was what I had in here, right? I have no idea. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I could put it back up there, but maybe I'll just set it here. And that doesn't look that good. We'll have to like fluff it back up. But the rest of the stems I think kind of match the Christmas vibe, so I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna kind of pick up all my stuff, and then we're gonna go and get the rest of the pumpkins. I think I have pumpkins still in my bedroom and in my office. I'll change out this print to be more Christmassy and wintry, but for now we're just gonna keep it like this pumpkin, this pumpkin, this pumpkin. 3 pumpkins. Now we're in my bedroom. I have these pumpkins, but like I said, I feel like this could kind of go with the Christmassy vibe, so we're gonna keep that. We have this one and this one. one. And I think that is all of the fall stuff that I have, I think. I will organize this after Christmas, so I'm just kind of throwing stuff in there now, and we'll just figure it out when the time comes to actually organize it, when everything needs to go back in. I'm also gonna add in my Halloween costumes because I don't need that out throughout the year. And then last but not least, I have these bats that I put up. These were actually the leftovers. I took them all down a few days ago, but I didn't take the tape off of them. So before I put them back in the bin, I'm just gonna take all of the tape off just so it doesn't cause an issue for next time. Everything is put away. I do need to put my box back in the storage unit, but I'll probably do my tree and my box at the same time. It's just getting late. Also, the Christmas tree is so beautiful. This was supposed to be like a winter reset video. I think it was kind of just more of like a vlog, of like a productive vlog of getting stuff done. We'll see if I still call it a winter reset, but I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys kind of like these like one day random vlogs of just me being productive. I love you guys so much. Make sure to check out Blue Land. I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to get a discount, as you should. And yeah, I love you guys.